guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig review is sponsored by the company Julia Hair. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 34 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go. So now that you have watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. So this unit was sent over to me by Julia Hair to review for you guys, and the unit that they sent over was the Julia Hot V-Part Balayage Curly Wig. So it comes with the V-Part right here. It's Glueless Ombre Highlight. It is 20 inches, no lace. The texture is curly and is 100% human hair, as well as 150% density. So this is one of their V-Part wigs. It is very simple to install. It's very beginner friendly. It is heat safe, so I did go ahead and put some heat right here just to lay hair down just a little bit flatter. So it is heat safe. It hasn't shed on me, and it hasn't tangled. So I love this about this unit. The only thing is I don't like my natural hair out when I'm wearing a wig, but for the review, yeah. But other than that, that is it to this unit. Very simple, very easy, and yeah. What would I be rating this wig? I would rate this wig, I rate it a 10. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just what you prefer and what you don't prefer. So there's literally nothing wrong with the unit. It hasn't shed on me. It hasn't tangled. So yeah. So I will go ahead and rate this unit a 10. It is perfect for the summertime. Perfect for those just starting out in wearing wigs. So with that being said, I will go ahead and rate this unit a 10. So if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like the video, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.